In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Smartsheet. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll point out a few useful tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening at each step. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on the home page. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your initials or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a menu with options related to your account and settings. From that menu, you'll see an option called User Management. This is where you control who has access to your Smartsheet plan and what kind of access they have. Click on User Management. When this page loads, you'll be taken to your user administration area, where you can see a list of people who already have access. Near the top or upper area of this page, you should see a button or link labeled Add User. This is the tool you'll use to invite a new team member into your Smartsheet account. Click on Add User to open the form for adding someone new. A window or panel will appear asking for the details of the person you want to add. Here, type in their email address and any other required information, such as their first and last name. Take a moment to double check the email address, because this is where the invitation will be sent. If there are optional fields like department or group, you can fill those in if they help you organize your users better, but they're not always required. Once you've entered their details, look for the permission settings in the same window. You'll see different roles and options that determine what this person can do in Smartsheet. To make this user an admin, find the toggle or checkbox labeled System Admin or System Administrator. Turn this toggle on. This grants them full administrative capabilities, such as managing users and account level settings, so only give this to people you trust with high